Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Di sini saya dari kelompok 6. Kita di sini akan membahas tentang organisasi non-profit. Semoga video ini bisa bermanfaat bagi teman-teman dan semua yang melihat video ini. Tapi sebelum itu pasti kita perlu perkenalan terlebih dahulu. Oke, perkenalkan dengan saya sendiri. Nama saya Faisal Lilasi Sofian dengan NPM akhir 009. Teman saya Ahmad Aliata dengan NPM terakhir 131, Tiger dengan 138, Felix Widyadana dengan NPM 157, dan juga teman saya Muhammad Raihan. Oke, di sini saya akan melanjutkan materi tentang definisi dari organisasi. Organisasi, kalau dalam bahasa Inggrisnya, is a group of or system consisting of people working together to achieve a specific goal. Jadi itu grup, sekumpulan orang yang bekerja sama untuk menyampaikan tujuan yang sama. Jadi memiliki tujuan yang sama dan mereka bekerja sama untuk mendapati tujuan tersebut. Organizations are not limited to companies or government agencies, but also include community groups, schools, and other institutions with clear structure and purpose. Pokoknya kata kunci dari organisasi itu nggak hanya kayak perusahaan atau government agencies, tapi sekolah, kelompok pun itu juga bisa termasuk organisasi. Secara etimologis, the word organization comes from the Greek organon, yang berarti tool or instrument. Jadi dalam konteks ini organisasi bisa dipandang sebagai alat atau platform that enables its members to achieve common goals, yang dimana mungkin sulit untuk dicapai secara individual. Oke, di sini saya akan menjelaskan tentang tipe-tipe non-profit organization. Yang pertama ada yayasan, yang dimana dia itu berbadan hukum, biasanya bergerak di bidang sosial, pendidikan, kesehatan, atau keagamaan. Contohnya Yayasan Kanker Anak Indonesia, Yayasan Dompet Duafa, dan Yayasan Kefarmasian Surabaya. Dana berasal dari donasi hibah atau sumbangan masyarakat. Selanjutnya yaitu lembaga swadaya masyarakat. Jadi itu fokus pada advokasi, perlindungan hak, dan isu-isu sosial lingkungan. Contohnya kayak Greenpeace, Wahana Lingkungan Hidup Indonesia, dan sering bekerja sama dengan komunitas lokal dan internasional. Yang ketiga ada organisasi keagamaan yang berorientasi pada pelayanan umat, dakwah, dan kegiatan sosial. Jadi contohnya kayak NU, Muhammadiyah, Caritas, dan sumber dananya umumnya itu dari zakat, infak, kolekte, atau sumbangan anggota. Selanjutnya yaitu organisasi sosial komunitas. Ini berskala kecil, berbasis masyarakat lokal, contoh Karang Taruna, kelompok relawan bencana, komunitas literasi, tujuannya memperkuat solidaritas dan membantu kebutuhan warga sekitar. Yang terakhir yaitu ada pendidikan dan kesehatan, jadi fokus pada akses pendidikan, beasiswa, atau layanan kesehatan gratis. Jadi contohnya kayak yayasan pendidikan anak jalanan, klinik gratis berbasis komunitas, jadi seperti itu. Jadi dananya juga biasanya dari sponsor, jadi CSR perusahaan atau donasi publik.
Okay, next, this is characteristic of non-profit organization. The first, financial resource. Financial resource is come from contribution provided by donors who do not expect financial returns, and such as investor in business organization. And the second is they generate goods and or service without aiming to earn profit, and if the organization generates income, the amount is not distributed to the founders or owners of the organization. And the last, the number three, is there is no ownership interest. There is no ownership interest. It's like in business organization. In non-profit organization, founders and donors do not receive financial benefit, such as dividend. Uh, Additionally, the founders and donors do not have ownership rights that can be transferred within the organization. Thank you.
The difference between non-profit organizations and government organizations. Differential feature 1. Orientation. Non-profit organization established to support specific issues and not commercial purpose without seeking monetary profit. Government organization fully oriented towards providing service to all levels of society. 2. Ownership, not absolutely clear, could be considered to belong to members, clients, or donors. Government, fully state-owned, regulated, and based on the Constitution. 3. Funding source, highly dependent on donors as the main source of funding. Government organization funded by state or regional income derived from community tax. 4. Responsibility. Distributing responsibility is not easy. The Board of Commissioners is not the official owner. Government responsibility lies with the state and is delegated to certain officials with clear sanctions for violations.
Alright, on this slide, I would like to explain about examples of non-profit organizations. Examples of this type of organizations include churches, public schools, public charities, hospitals, and general clinics, political organizations, community aid groups, volunteer service, labor unions, professional associations, research institutions, museums, and others. Rumah Cemara was originally established in 2003. At the time, it operated under the auspices of Yayasan Insan Hamdani, a social organization based in Bandung. However, on January 1st, 2014, the management of Rumah Cemara registered it as an independent organization in the form of an association. Rumah Cemara is now formal association with a notarial deed and is registered with the Ministry of Law and Human Rights of the Republic of Indonesia, specifically under the Directorate General of General Legal Administrations. Source of funding for non-profit organizations. Non-profit organizations obtain funding from several sources, including program-based activities. Non-profit organizations are generally not encouraged to generate income purely for profit from their activities, as this may indicate commercial operations. However, organizations may derive income from their programs by considering key principles such as sustainability, expansions of community service, and recognitions of the organization's performance. Donations or contributions. Donations are a source of income obtained without the obligation to provide goods or service in return, given purely out of goodwill by donors. Donations can be made on a regular basis or as one-time contributions, often collected through fundraising activities such as philanthropic initiatives.
On this slide, another source of funding for non-profit organization is from grants. A grant is awarded by a non-profit organization to support a specific activity. Grants are highly specific, ranging from the granting organization, the type of activity being implemented, to the context of the activity. Next, from interest and other investment or capital income. This is the income earned from an organization capital or assets. Depending on the amount of the investment, generally, non-profit organizations are not permitted to make high-risk investment because the invested funds must not decrease but must increase. Okay, next in this slide, another sources of funding for non-profit organization is from member dues. A community or non-profit organization with several members typically requires members to pay dues. The amount of the dues is determined by mutual agreement or can be voluntary. And the last one, from commercial venture, direct income can be obtained by a non-profit organization through commercial venture by forming a special unit to handle our own shares or ownership of commercial business entities.
Thank you for attention.